this small item. I picked it up from a local shop. It's called Iron Man 3 phone clip. As you can see, it's a kind of phone holder, and you can mount it on tripod. Let me open it. It's really well packed. That's from the back. From the side, you can see Chinese. So there's a quality control. Very nice here. Okay, now let me show you from the top-down camera. It's easier to see. This device has been around for quite some time, but I didn't buy it because it's not very cheap, and I don't use my phone to film my content a lot. Usually I use my camera, but now I'm getting more often using my phone. What I had is this one. It's much lighter, but this is the cheap one, the plastic one size fit all. So you can see it's designed for older phone. This is quite small. If I try to fit my Motorola Razr, so it's quite, the difference is large. So if I want it, I have to put something here, otherwise it will crush my phone. So I put a stick here, so I can put my phone slowly in here, but it's not very tight. So now I'm using my phone to film my video more often because I like the display from the other side. So you can see this is the large display. I can use the rear camera with good quality to film my contents. Then I thought it's time to get one of these. It's made of metal and it's quite heavy. It's compared to the plastic one. So as you can see here, you can fix the angle. Any angle you want, you can go up to here and the other way as well. Since this one is not using a spring, you can change the size here to fit your phone. Like, you can adjust this. Let me pull this a little bit loose, up here, and I adjust the size. Okay, that's about the size. Lock this. And now I can put my phone here and tighten this here. So I can, if I want to put it on the table, so it will fall. The tricky part is there is a one piece of stand here. It's magnetic. So I can and now you can see the base is extended. Okay, it's still falling on one side. Yeah, I should put it in the middle. Okay, I didn't put it too tight because there's a case on this side and there's no case on the other side. But I just want to show you it can stand now because I put it in the middle. And there's also one more feature on this device. You can slide the light on this. On the bottom here, you can put a tripod. So at the moment, it doesn't really make sense to put a small tripod because I can use the stand here, but I just want to show you it's working this way. At the back here, I can extend with this rail, and I can put another device on here as well. So it's very nice, it's very universal. I quite like it. As I have mentioned before, this one has been around for quite some time. Since I didn't need one and this is not a very cheap one, so I just use the plastic one. When I started with a small phone, it's alright, but it's getting annoying when the phone is getting larger and I don't want it crushing my phone. It's heavier if you want to carry it, but it's all metal. It will last for a while. The only thing I'm not too sure with this lock here is quite easy to move. So every time when you use it, you have to be careful, make sure it's locked. Otherwise, it's quite nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.